principle I'm talking about is the flawed correlations or the false causality. Now, this is the problem with the correlation, and it's very common in the market research studies we conduct. If we measure enough variables, what will happen eventually? It will appear that some of them will correlate. We have seen this. If we measure 10 variables, it's most likely 2 or 3 will correlate. And actually, the studies can be manipulated to prove a correlation that does not exist or which is not significant enough to prove a causality. Let's understand this by taking a very basic example. Suppose there is a study which has found a correlation between increase in car accidents in the city in the month of June, which we can term as event A, and increase in the beer attacks in the same city, which we can mention as event B. Now, basis this correlation, there can be 6 possible explanations. First, car accidents can cause beer attacks. Beer attacks can cause car accidents. Both A and B partly cause each other. A and B are caused by a third factor C, or B is caused by a third factor C, which correlates with A, or the correlation is only chance. Now, even if we apply common sense, most likely it is a correlation by chance, or at the most, it can be both A and B are caused by a third factor, which can be an increase in population. If there is an increase in population, there would be more car accidents and there would be more probability of beer attacking the population. Other than that, there is no other causal factor here. But if we look at the COVID example, what has actually happened? We all know this BCG vaccine. I mean, initially, the people in Southeast Asia were very happy that when the news came out that countries that routinely use BCG vaccine neonates had reported less cases of COVID-19 to date. Right? It was just a false correlation. There was no causality proven here. And after a month of this news, WHO came with the news that there is no evidence that there is any causal relationship between BCG vaccine and number of COVID cases.